Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use favorites feeds on the Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go on the Instagram. Once you are in on the top, here is the option of the Instagram. Now here is the two option. One is following and one is favorites. You have to click on the favorites. Now here you have to add the favorite. Here you can search the account which you want to add your favorite or you want to see the post daily on the daily basis. But make sure that you follow that account. If you don't follow that account, the id will not be show here. Once you add it, you have to click on the confirm favorites and that id will be added to your favorite. But remember that you follow that account before searching in the favorites. So yeah, this is how you can use favorites feed on the Instagram.